Yo, what's good with y'all, man? It's your boy DRVN.PRSPCTV. We back here again with another video, and we got another mod that we about to put on the 5.0 Mustang GT, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. As you can see, we got the GT 350 wing in the back. If y'all haven't seen me install that, go check that out. You probably see a lot of rubber on that joint, rubber parts. Don't mind me, it's pollen and some other stuff that we had to do in order to get it on there. Check that video out and you're gonna learn a lot more. But today, we're not here for that. Today, we're here for the blacked out GT, the blacked out 5.0s, for the blacked out pony. Come on, nigga, even the dog know what's good, bruh. So, yeah, man, y'all about to see the install of this. We're gonna be changing out here, 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 and here in Negro. Let's get it started. All right, so we're just gonna work on the 5.0s first. What I'm gonna do is I got some Scotch tape here. I'm gonna make a marking around it. I don't have a heat gun, but typically you would use a heat gun to kind of loosen the adhesive. And then what I'm gonna do is just use one of these plastic trim removals and kind of get it off, and then I'll come back with y'all. So I'm gonna put that tape on right now and then get back with y'all, man. All right, so we just got the 5.0 off. So still got some adhesive on here. What I'm gonna do is hit it with that eraser gun. And we'll be back. And what I did is I just used a little bit of rubbing alcohol. Wipe it down. You gotta clear the surface before you put on a new one. All right, y'all, so I just had to double check and make sure I was looking at the right side. But what I realized, even if you do forget, I recorded the video so I looked at it, but if you look pretty closely, let me make sure y'all see, there's a longer hole here and a shorter hole here. And on the side of your tag, it'll show you exactly where it is. So you can see the longer hole it goes. We just got the first side blacked out, baby. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right, let's do the same on the other side. I'll be back. Got the second one on there. No problem at all. Do the same exact method. See, it's on there 5.0. Let me tell y'all, man. When doing like anything with adhesive on your car, get you an eraser wheel, bro. I'm not gonna lie. There's a lot of, if you look up any other video, they're gonna tell you, you gotta get under the cover, remove 2 bolts here, take off the deck lid panel, get inside of here, take this out. Get all that out of here, man. Bro, use the tape method. Put a tape around what you're trying to do. Get you some plastic trim removal. I got this at like AutoZone. Get you one of them joints, put a tape around there, just be careful. Don't do too much. Look for the advantage points, take care of it. Have the tape on there so you're not scratching up the paint, and then take that off, and then use the eraser wheel to get the adhesive off. Because I'm not gonna lie to you, bro, the eraser wheel has been changing. Like, it completely changed my life. All that extra stuff they want you to do, nah, we're not doing all that. That's a lot. That's a lot, bro. It's hot outside. If you like me and you live in an apartment complex, there is no garage cover. We don't have that over here. It's hot. I'm about to just do it in front of my complex, get it out the way. Like, I'm not out here doing all that extra stuff, man. So I'm about to take care of the GT's emblem right now. All right, y'all, so I finally got the GT off. You can see where it used to be. I'm not gonna lie to you. Prying it off, you can see like the pins broke off and it kind of got stuck. So I pushed some of them through. One of them got stuck, so I just hit it with a little drill, went through. You ain't gotta, like, it's not gonna go that deep, to be honest. So, like, don't push it crazy hard, but I just pushed it a little bit through just to get them holes there. And now we're about to put and then I wiped it down with some rubbing alcohol, of course, just to make sure the surface area was clean. Woo, got the new GT on there, boy. Yes, sir. GT, boys. GT. Yeah, we blacked out the GT on here. I seen someone put the Ford emblem. It was pretty cool, but I think for me, the black GT is where we at with it. All right, y'all. So the last thing we about to do is take the pony grill off. So I started off by trying to mess around with the radiator cover. I've seen some folks say you can go like this, but I'm not gonna lie. These top two would not come off for the life of me. So I started messing around with it a little bit, and I think we're gonna get it off like this. Got the black pony right here. It doesn't have any sticky things on the back, so I might go get some 3M and just put on the inside and peel it off and make sure it's thick, because as you can see right here, we actually lost one of them. So yeah, stay tuned. I'm gonna keep y'all posted though. Yep, so we got it off with a little bit of prying. Now as you can see, it looks like the middle hole right here is cool. But this one had got a little, I guess, I don't know what it is, silicone or something in this one too. So I won't be able to go in there flush. So I'll grab the drill again the same way I did in the back, just something small. This is a 1/8. It's got a 1/8. Drill something right here. Nothing too crazy. Definitely didn't go all the way in there, and I hit anything in the back. And do the same right here. Oh, this one's cool too. And go to the store real quick, get some 3M and just put on the back of it, because this third one's missing and I don't want it to come off. So yeah, we'll be right back. All right, y'all, quick stop at AutoZone. AutoZone sponsored me. Just had to get the 3M tape so I can put on the inside of the pony. And then we're gonna put it on the inside over here so we'll make sure we stick. But we're gonna rub it down with some alcohol first. So I'm gonna catch y'all at the finished product. All right, y'all, this is what the inside of it look like. Make sure to cut around, just put everything in the right place. All right, so now we're gonna peel out the red and stick it on there. I'll show you how to find a product. Yes, sir. Now we got that jump on the grill. .50 on the side. GT in the back. 50 on the side. Come on, gang, we just blacked out the GT. We're gonna do something about the rims, but like for now, I'm messing with it for sure. All right, y'all, I appreciate y'all for sticking through the video. Yeah, we had a lot going on, but we still made it through. Still got the mods coming through, making it clean. I'm about to take this to the car wash. I'll probably catch it in another video or something like that, but she needs to be cleaned up. So yeah, man, appreciate y'all for sticking through. Your boy DRVN.PRSPCTV, we out.